Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you two simple chutney recipes made with raw green mango. They go very well as a side dish with the meal or as an appetizer or a snack side dish. It's very easy to make and you can also have it stored for 5 to 7 days in your refrigerator. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. The first method, we need half a cup of raw green mango, 2 garlic cloves, some coriander leaves and some curry leaves, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and half a cup of grated coconut. In a grinder, add raw mango, coconut, cumin seeds, red chili powder, garlic cloves, coriander leaves, some salt and make a fine paste. Add some water if required and this is the final result. For the second method, here I have taken 1 cup of coconut, 1 green chili, 2 garlic cloves, some coriander leaves, gram dal or daaliya which we are going to dry roast, about half a cup of green raw mango peeled and cut into small pieces, some sugar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, salt to taste and some curry leaves. First, we are going to dry roast the gram dal. So take a wide pan like that and on a medium-high flame, dry roast the gram dal or daaliya, stirring in between. Notice that the color has changed. Now it's nicely roasted. Switch off the flame. In a grinder, add raw mango, daaliya, grated coconut, salt, 2 garlic cloves, green chili, coriander leaves, and grind it to a fine paste and add some water as needed. This is the final result. We're going to give tadka to both our chutneys, so in a tadka pan add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds, and since we are using for both, I've added 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Add some hing and switch off the flame. Now add curry leaves. And as they crackle, add the turmeric powder and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix this tadka really well. It's ready. Now let's go ahead and pour it on our chutneys. I have already taken them out in separate bowls. So just half on one and half on the other. Add this tadka. It gives such a nice aroma to both the chutneys and the oil also helps to have them stored for a longer time. Give it a good mix. So with the help of a spoon, kind of immerse that tadka through the chutney all over and do that for both of them. Both the chutneys are nice variations using a raw mango and go very well with any of your snacks, appetizers or even as a side dish with your meal. Hope you've enjoyed today's session. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.